Hello and welcome back. In today's session, we will take a look at the data types which are available in Python. As we have seen in the earlier session, a variable is a name given to a particular memory location or set of memory location. That particular memory location or set of memory location can hold different data or different types of data. So those are defined as data types. There are different data types available in Python. The principal built-in types are numerics, sequences, mappings, classes, instances, and exceptions. Different built-in data types which we are going to take a look at are numeric type, bool type, sequence type, set type, and mappings type. We will take a look at classes, instances, and exceptions in the later sessions. However, we will have few sessions with these built-in data types which I mentioned just now. Under numeric, we will take a look at int, float, and complex. Under bool, we have true or false. And under sequence, we have list, tuple, a range. And inside the sequence, we have also text sequence, which is string type. So there is also a binary sequence which works with bytes, byte array, and memory view. So binary sequence is used with videos, images, and even the network traffic. Under set, we are going to take a look at set and frozen set and the difference between set and a frozen set. And in mappings, we will take a look at dictionary. We have also seen in the earlier session the data types which are held by a particular variable can be checked by using type method. With the data types, we also have important concept called mutable and immutable. A mutable object can be changed after it is created. That means the value for that particular variable can be changed after it is created. If we can do that, that particular object is called a mutable object. Remember that everything in Python is an object. The objects of built-in types like list, set, and dictionary are all mutable. That means the value within that particular object can be changed after it is created. So let us look at immutable. An immutable object can't be changed after it is created. That means the value within that particular object cannot be changed once it is created. The objects of built-in types like int, float, complex, bool, string, tuple are immutable. So that means all these built-in types like int, float, complex, bool, string, tuple, once they are created, the values cannot be changed. We will see an example of these in the upcoming session. But you have to know that some of these data types are mutable and some of these are immutable. So this will be an interview question wherein you will be asked which built-in data types are mutable, what is mutability and what is immutability, and which data types are immutable. They might ask you to give them an example as well. However, we will see this in the upcoming sessions.